Welcome to the TED Online Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to navigate on the TED website. On the top right corner, you can select one of the 24 EU languages. Next to it, you can register on TED, or sign in, if you already have an EU login account. You can instantly search for notices using Quick Search, or choose another search option. You can find the latest published OJS issue. Or navigate to the release calendar page to find previous issues. On the left, you will find the SIMAP navigation menu. Select a topic to browse. And on the right, you can access other sites in the TED family. Finally, on the bottom of the page, you can find more information about the TED website. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our help page and check our other video tutorials.